So they talk to you now, you go teach me everything.
Me, I dey tell you school, bro. People dey class, Charlie, forget phone, bro. Let the teach Charlie, for just pay attention, then once and for all, Charlie, you done, you good.
So why I get you as my friend if not for you to put me through. That's why you did there. So I no go learn for class, I go learn from you direct.
You be double stress, bro.
No worry about the stress, I go pay you. Even if I don't get money, I go pay you.
Talk for better
The one
person.
son give me, Abi.
Yes, sir.
But you see, say this one did like abaye dem my shoe. You know, be even soldier. See, if you give me soldier shoe, yeah, that be when I defeat now.
When you know say you no go buy away, let me dey talk plenty.
I never talk say I no go buy you. Relax, make your body calm down. But I talk say it be abaye shoe. If I wear am now, where I dey click? That be what I dey ask you. Me, I know you know they see my own doping. I dey dope.
So you yourself, what you dey tell me, sweetie?
What I
You
talk?
dey tell me say me I dey sell abayi.
I be abaye shoe be this. You know you yourself wey carry am, you know be abaye shoe you carry am. Go carry military shoe, soldier dem a shoe am.
Mama. If you no go buy, tell me say you no go buy, make I come out.
I know they buy abaye shoe.
Something.
I never wear abaye shoe for my life before.
You for watch yourself. Oh. Next time if I dey do my business, where you put your mouth inside, you see what I go do.
No be
Come on for there. I dey talk, you dey talk.
sorry, sir.
You go carry better shoe come next time I go buy.
Mama, come on.
Me make I come out too. This one, this beer needs a beer, Nefia beer, which one?
Forget that issue.
No, but you see as he come, they
You
say
dey
that
talk
better
about
shoe give me.
child. You want make attention, you want make if you don't want learn something.
I don't know. You two, what is that? Every time you do gaga, you know sabi nothing.
If you do your thing, they do your thing, they go.
Yeah, so let me hear what you have.
Okay, first of all, my name is Ewenyigba. All right, I beg you, all of them are kettle, all of them are baby. Me, I'm your remedy. Call me bulldozer. Me a bad boy, Mr. Chachuchu Kata. SKC alongside Shukura. If you cross it, call me villager. Me do rap them to say Titanic. My mod, my word to say pandemic. I am by my strong to say Heminic. So what trying to miss my I say, there, no rap is not.
Okay. You know, you are doing rhythmic poetry.
Sure.
Okay, so I would advise, okay,
Yeah.
that you make sure that your rhymes are on point,
Yeah.
your message is clear,
Okay.
and you need to work on your vocals.
Thank you. Yeah.
When I compare you to some of your competitors in the
Yeah.
industry, okay, I feel that you need to work out a little more.
Sure.
I know you can do it.
Sure.
Yeah, you can do it. I want to be proud of you.
Sure.
Okay, being a student of this campus and this institution, I want you to really, excel.
Yeah.
Compare yourself to some of the other guys. Listen to the way they go about their own, and then work on yourself and tell yourself or begin to feel that I can do better than all of them.
Sure.
And I'm sure you'll do it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. What I'll do is call me and then let's fix up a time over the weekend. Let's meet at the department, okay?
Okay.
And then let's try something with the guitar. In the meantime, like I said, work out. Every morning, just do some jogging so you can actually keep up your breath, because if you can't sustain, you can't phrase properly, at the end of the day, you'll be falling short.
Sure.
Okay? All right, so I trust you. So call me and let's see if we can work out something.
Thank you.
All right? So just keep working on this. The weather looks like maybe raining or something, but this is a very cool place. You can actually lift up and speak up. Just try and do something louder.
All right.
All right? I have to catch up with some other things, so I'll see you. All right? Yeah. Take care.
So as we are planning towards, we've already talked about this. So how do we go about it? And then let's seal the deal right here and then now. So who is going for the shot? I think Gifty. I think Grace will do.
Yes, me. That my matter self the bomb me one. I'm not gonna fit. Shall we forget them? 50 go do am.
Hey, Auntie Abba, you don't go feed me, I go feed you.
I no go fit.
No.
If you say they like
But
her,
if you say they like him, so you go feed do that.
you go fit do.
Oh, please.
Your own self, you go be simple cry.
Oh, please, come on. I don't want to get in.
Hey, calm down. You say that thing, no matter. The two of us, we know they like him. You self, you know. But you, at least, some small. So you go feed do that thing.
You guys go dey my back.
Dey your back.
We're gonna give me the
I mean,
vim.
know that.
You
They
dey fear.
push me.
You dey
The
fear.
crowd go enter.
You dey fear. You go enter them comot.
See. So let's seal the deal here. It's gonna be 80-10-10.
Hey. Why?
Okay.
80-10-10.
60-20-20. It's a cool
Shall we
deal.
forget them? Why?
No, relax.
It be only you go do that thing. I be with your back. What's
Now
up?
we know say it be you will be the master plan, abi. So you go take 30-30, then you go take 40.
40.
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
Hey, make no complain. Why? You know be with your back.
bag go shoot the shot. Oh,
So waiting.
e go me wey dey go dey do everything.
No be we
oh.
go watch give you.
No matter.
Okay, if you say so, it's okay.
Edeo.
It's a deal. How for do?
Nice one.
40.
Nice one.
30.
Let's go. Nice one.
40. It's a deal.
You for do am well.
It's a cool deal. But it's like when you get 25 and I take 50.
Forget them. Make no talk that matter, cry. What's up?
We talk the tea finish. Why you don't want
It's
spoil?
alright. It's a joke, la.
They like money, chum.
I feel like dashing you a slap.
Give me clean one, or not dirty one.
You don't like money, oh.
Yeah. We've been here for almost like 10 minutes now. And you are still not talking. Why did you bring me here?
Relaxed. We are still drinking. I mean, I'll soon tell you what it is, okay? Keep drinking.
I don't really have time.
Keep drinking.
Please, excuse me, 1 minute. Hello. Yeah. What do you mean?
No, I mean, I just.
You do your assignment, accounting assignment.
You know the assignment.
Finish. All that they hear when I be, I just go pay my name. Roxanne Mickey.
So you don't write your name yet.
I don't write my name yet. What should
Okay, I see
I that thing.
You know the accounting there, me and they suffer for accounting, but you understand.
You never dey go class. Party, women, big bottles, plenty breast. What again? Mention them.
That one says the assignment. Oh, Mickey, you know the accounting.
Eric, I swear, tell this if not Charlie, I go bury you right now. Charlie, give me that thing to be the mad. What they do you? Give me that thing. Oh, why? You know you when they see me like John. Every day say of what you every day they go party, right? They fuck the girls, eh? Me what I don't get penis, eh? Look, I get them. I go fuck girls. Do you understand? What they do you? Give it to me.
Charlie, today help me. I will relax.
By my third count, give my assignment to me. Charlie, I go lose her for you. I go lose her for you. See, I know be that junkie boy they see like that. Charlie, give me my assignment. Eric,
Mickey,
give me my assignment. I swear, I go. See.
Hey, Charlie, you be Van down.
Give it to me.
See, make I talk with somebody.
Give it. Shut it up. What did you
Yes, make I talk.
Yes.
Oh.
What? Charlie.
I say, I dey talk. He say you are the beg. You know say accounting. You know my lie. You understand? If like he come to woman's side, that one that could be
Oh.
supported. Understand?
Me ask them born me and then cut my head. When they put accounting book for my head, they say no be so. Give.
See you know, say make I write my name. You go copy from her.
Sean.
You go copy from me. I dey beg.
Copy.
You are beg.
Then
Make
go-
I take.
You now go take the laptop.
See, you know.
Type. You go type everything.
See, today if I go the club, I will bring you one girl. You are begging, you make me. I know say.
Sean, what
But I don't think you go take give me your brother, man. You say we get each other's back. You understand? That's what I like. You see, you without you, without Jesus, it be you. If Jesus no dey,
Charlie,
it be you.
hey, one more word from you, I go take my assignment.
Yeah, you make I give me your baby. Mickey, my dog. Allah, shakaholic. Hey, Charlie, you be too much. Thank you, Mickey. Charlie, I dey come. I won't submit am then come meet you. Wait me for the canteen there, okay? I dey keep am for here. I dey come. Wait me for them. I dey come.
She keep on. Make people they can't wait for you for here.
Tell us up.
Which kind was up?
Why you keep us waiting?
Traffic. Yeah, what traffic?
We don't dey work like that. Oh.
Traffic.
What do you want here?
I want to pass. I pass, you stop me.
I warned you.
You want me for what?
This is not the first time I've had this confrontation with you.
And so
if you are passing, pass.
You cannot tell me say make I pass. Here be campus. Anywhere I like, I go feel pass. Now my campus be this. Now me be that. Now Sakpanyanya. You cannot joke with me. Oh. Now Sakpanyanya be the. If you dey inside your corner, then make it dey there. Make you know this. If you go disturb people, me I not dey inside. And I say I go pass here where they do like that. I go blow your head. I will tell you. You see him? Dey here. You see him? I go blow your head. You yourself go check me. Yeah, I get better place to sleep. I beg, leave me alone.
You don't even have your time. I mean, I know the kind of stuff you're made of, and I know there's nothing good that will ever come out of somebody like you. I'm even wondering why this institution is still keeping such a person. It's a sensible nonsense.
Are you sure they took everything? Are you sure? How come?
I mean it. I mean it. I swear by everything I hold sacred that they did.
How come? But guys, don't you think it could be that notorious Sakpanyanya?
How can you say that? He's no longer part of us.
What do you mean?
He's no longer part of us.
He's the only notorious person on this campus.
Oh, he's
I know they believe that
he
guy.
wouldn't do that. He wouldn't do that. Stop it.
Second, your own nephew self, they hate the person. You know they see the way they vibe plus
Forget
the
it,
nephew.
forget it. That is family issue. But you don't have to blame him for it. He's no longer part of us. Why would you blame him?
They're
I'm sure it's those notorious guys on campus. Notorious guys. Maybe they wanted your phone or something. They didn't know. I'm not sure.
But
It can't be Sakpanyanya.
Gifty could have a point.
I'm not sure he's the one. Forget it. I'm still confused about this. I'm still confused.
Then defend me. A comment by his holy judge from God. You defend you.
No, but seriously, he's no longer part of us. Why would he do that?
It is possible. That guy is a very dangerous
It's
guy.
not possible. Forget it. Why would he talk like that? Myself, I'm
You
confused
look like
about
you this girl they too much defend that guy. Oh.
He's no longer part of us.
He's a chopper.
Why would you say that?
If this old man they chop
Stop
you,
it,
they
stop
are
it,
now
stop
for
it,
you.
stop it.
Oh.
But you know you didn't shoot away, they smile like that, or they laugh like that.
Stop it.
Hey!
We are thinking about your problem.
Auntie
You
Amma.
are here saying another thing.
I know, but you know this
Forget
looks.
it.
I mean,
I don't like that.
it is
Forget
so
it.
touching.
I don't like that. I don't like that.
Or Fantebe's girlfriend.
I don't like that. I'll leave.
Leave it.
I don't like that.
But they cook for us.